Hi guys. Hi.
Shall we?
Can you say, ready, Freddy?
Bye.
Yay, good job, Henry. Uh-oh. Oscar. No. Okay, I'll fix it. Honey, it's okay. I'll fix it. Here, it's alright. Here, look. It's okay. We'll get it right back from him. We'll fix it, okay? See? Oscar, what were you doing? Are you eating the train tracks? Oscar's Godzilla. Hey, Oscar. Hi. You're crazy. Hi, Henry.
No.
Are you mad? It's fixed now. You want to put the thing back on?
No.
Okay, it's fixed. Can you say,
yeah,
you want to take off the track?
Yeah.
Alright, Henry, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you say see you later?
I'll see you later.
Can you say where'd Lucy go?
Lucy go.
Where'd Lucy go?
Okay.
The goblins ate her?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not good. Alright. Bye, boys. I love you.
I shall see you later.
See you later.
I need
Okay, we'll make a new track.